Welcome, in front of me is an LG K41s, and today I'll show you how to insert SIM and SD card into the device. So before we get started, we will need a SIM ejector, as I have one right here, and it can be found in the box that the device came in, or if you don't want to feel like looking for it, you can always use a paper clip and just straighten out one of the edges. So from there, you want to pop out the tray, which is located on the right side. So right here, as you can see where the pin is holding, simply press on it and the tray pops out. And from here you have space for two different SIM cards and SD tray. Place each one accordingly. You can see like so. Okay. Now the tray doesn't really hold the cards too well, so keep that in mind. So you want to hold it a little bit securely and then slide it back into the device, and we should be now prompted with the pin for the SD card or for the SIM card. So there it is, and also the SD card is working as well, as you can see. So both of them are working just fine, and that is how you would insert SIM and SD into this device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe, and thanks for watching.